Hello everyone, welcome to Reactify Labs. In the last two videos, I talked about props. But what exactly are the props? We will see in this video. In this video, I will also talk about hooks, and in the later videos, I'll show how to use them. And in the further videos, I'll also show how we can use props and hooks together and what benefits do they provide. So let's start this video. What are props in React? Props are short for properties, and these are a fundamental part of React. They allow us to pass data from one component to another. Think of props as a way for components to communicate with each other. As we saw in our last project, uh, the data was passed from app component to my components component. And this is what props are used for. In React, data flows in a unidirectional manner from parent components to child components. Props are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed within the component that receives them. This ensures a clear and predictable flow of data throughout your application. Let's come to hooks. Hooks were introduced in React 16.8. They are a way to use state and other React features in functional components. Prior to hooks, state management was exclusive to class components. Hooks allow us to use state, effects, context, and more in functional components. The useState hook, for example, enables functional components to hold and update their own state. Meanwhile, useEffect allows us to perform side effects in functional components, such as fetching data or subscribing to events. Other commonly used hooks are useReducer, useCallback, useMemo, useRef, and useContext. These all might be sounding jargons to you, but in the later videos, when I'll show their applications, the concepts will become clear. What are the practical usages of hooks and props? Props and hooks work hand in hand to make React applications more dynamic and flexible. For instance, we can pass props from parent to child and manage the state of child component using hooks like useState. Hooks also help us handle lifecycle events and manage side effects more efficiently in functional components, thus simplifying our code and making it easier to maintain. In conclusion, understanding props and hooks is essential for mastering React development. Props facilitate communication between components, while hooks empower functional components with the capability to manage state and lifecycle events. So that's all for this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.